benefits of walking on the road to ground yourself. This is one of the best practices that I follow to ground my energy is to walk on the roads. You can go to the marketplace, local marketplace of any city, and just walk around and enjoy the nature and feel the beauty of it. An evening walk in nature is one of the best practices you can follow, and you'll see how you feel heightened. You have to connect to life in different ways, and this is one of the ways in which you can connect. There is no rule to live life, and if you just explore the way I do, you will be free. I am free, and so I am sharing all the secrets for a free life. If you cannot do this, then there is no use of any meditation, sadhana, or any strong practices that I do. What an ambience! What an ambience! These are raw grounding videos to connect to the life energy, to connect to the raw energy of life. So, life is here and now. I'm making you experience the different dimensions of life. We can have a street view. As I said in my earlier video, that there is no manual to live life. How will you live life? It is just your creation. You don't have to go to the meditation camp, the yoga retreat to feel life. You have to be here and now and be yourself. Just enjoy. I have come out of perfectionism. I have come out of all the hold that happens in the brain and nervous system to become perfect. You may not be able to see me. You may not be able to look at me in a very photogenic way. Doesn't matter to me. How does it matter? As long as I'm alive, there is possibility. And this is what I'm teaching you. I'm teaching you imperfectionism. I'm teaching you excellence. I'm teaching you exploration. You just need to be yourself, enjoy in whatever condition or situation you are. Just feel life the way it is, without any decoration, without any glamour, raw. Experience the rawness of life. These all videos are embedded with my powers, and when you just watch my videos and do these activities, why I am recording videos like this? Because most of you are ungrounded, most of you are totally disconnected from life, and when you watch this video, you will know that, oh my god, an opening will happen in you. You will know that life is so simple. Why I have made it complicated? Why do I need so much of sophistication? So come out of all the sophistication of life. Start living life simply. Go out, explore, enjoy the basic Wherever you are, there is a local market, there is a local place where you can explore and get back to your roots. Grounding doesn't need to be always planned in an energy vortex. Grounding means doing the basic human activities and coming out of all the spiritual practices. Come out of all the spiritual practices and start live a simple life, which is here and now. The darkness, the light, and everything is life. And this is light, adding to the ambience. Happiness is here and now. Life is here and now. So enjoy with me this wind blowing, the raw sound of nature. Even the traffic may become meditation when you just attend to yourself. Come out, go out, move your body, let your brain feel real life, experience real life. Why grounding? Because the more sophistication has happened in the world, the more ungrounding has happened. Everything is automated in today's world, and you don't have to struggle for anything. And that creates a lot of ungrounding, especially when you're going through Kundalini awakening. Kundalini wants you to live the simplest life where there is nobody and nothing. Nobody is watching at you. Nobody is even concerned. Nobody knows anything about you. So enjoy. So a technique which I usually follow when I am traveling is the technique of mouth exhalation, which keeps you in the present moment. You enjoy. So how to do the mouth exhalation? Just when you do continuous mouth exhalation, you activate your vagus nerve. And when your vagus nerve is activated, your brain and nervous system is healed. So you can make use of your traveling time to do this simple practice, the energetic mastery method of doing mouth exhalation, and see the bumps and anything. And if you're doing mouth exhalation, then you will always remain in parasympathetic mode. You will not get into sympathetic mode. So enjoy this ride with me. It's too dark here, so see the darkness. Enjoy the darkness. And there is a lake there. If you can see the reflection, I don't know whether you will be able to see the reflection, but there is a lake. So appreciate life. This life frequency you will not get anywhere. You have to connect to me to feel this life frequency. I teach life. I infuse life frequency in you. And if you are really lucky, then you will get the opportunity to have physical projects with me where I experientially tune you to the life frequency of the universe, and you can experience life in its totality with me, get transformed. The students who work with me get healed. The patients, they get healed from all the brain and mental health related issues, from neurosis. I experientially transform you. There is no sophisticated ways for the transformation. My transformation is based on natural ways. And that is why this spontaneous video is created for you so that it reaches you in its true energy. If you start doing these activities, then you will get healed faster than having any medications or doing complicated yoga postures or other exercises, gym, and everything else. This is instinctive, the exploration and the traveling that I am doing and showing you is the real essence of our evolution. Our brain and nervous system gets healed because they are instinctive in nature. I may not be visible to you properly, but my voice will reach you, my energy will reach you. And if you connect to that energy, you're connecting to the life energy of the universe. So be creative in life, enjoy life, create your life in your style. All right. So have a great day. Bye bye. And keep smiling like me.